Here now to analyze, attorney and Fox News anchor Megyn Kelly. So why do the prosecutors want to use this?
Of course, it's a statement by the defendant, so they're going to put this into evidence, and that's not unexpected at all. The real question is, why would Mark O'Mara have agreed to this? I can even understand George Zimmerman wanting to speak. A lot of defendants want to speak. It's up to their lawyers, who are counsel, who are schooled in the law and the ways of criminal defense, to say, it's not a good idea, George.
Well, why wasn't it a good idea? What did he say that might hurt him?
Because it's human nature that the more times you comment on something, the more inconsistencies there will be.
Did he make a mistake?
He offered a couple of statements that are inconsistent with his prior statements already in this case. Yes, he did. Right. And not only that, the part that you just played is potentially problematic for him. Do you have any regrets? Regrets about getting out of the car? Regrets about taking a gun? Any regrets? No regrets at all. It was God's plan. Then he comes back after there was clearly a break and says, when I said I had no regrets, I thought you were talking about... Wait, but let me finish. I thought you were talking about whether I had regrets about talking to the police or getting an attorney. Well, that's not at all how it went down. Hannity asked him, do you have regrets about having a gun? No. Regrets about getting out of the car? No. So he looks not credible to come back later and say, oh, I thought you were talking about, do I have regrets about talking to the cops?
Well, his lawyer told him to do that.
I know.
So, all right. So you see this is a big loss for Zimmerman.
It's not good. And I really think it's not Mr. Zimmerman's fault. It's Mr. O'Mara's fault. He shouldn't have put his client in this position.
Okay, sure. And I don't know, they've already said that he's innocent to the world. They pled not guilty on the case, so why do they have to do it again?
And the furor over this has died down for the time being, so there was no reason to try to get to the jury pool. And the only people who matter are the people who are going to be judging him in court. First the judge, if he gets past stand your ground, and then if he doesn't get past it, he's going to go to a jury. So when you get before the jury, Mr. Zimmerman, and you want to take the stand, you want to be as charming as possible and tell that story of apologies and so on, how you had to do it, go for it. But you don't need to sit down and do it like this, because it's just another statement that you'll have to be perfectly consistent on. Otherwise, the prosecution is going to use it against you.
All right.